Ah, what a day, what a day.
Hey guys, dudes and dudettes. Here we are, back for an in-betweener. But this is a special one because we've got a special guest coming up. Tell us all about him.
We needed something special for our website, our YouTube channel and our Facebook. So I asked a buddy of mine who's a professional web designer to design us a logo for the best price next to nothing. So it costed us a can of beer and a couple of t-shirts. So here he is, Mr. Egel van der Jacht from Fireworks Solutions.
Our mystery guest.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hi, guys.
have a seat, join us.
Thank you.
RBM.
So,
Tell us.
I designed those guys their logo for free because I'm a big fan of our YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope they like it, and I got a lot of fun watching those guys play around with YouTube and their motorcycles. So this evening, I am going to watch them, and hopefully they're glad with the logo.
Oh, we are.
I think
We've
seen it already.
Definitely.
So now we're gonna show you guys our new logo.
Yeah.
We'll also attach a link to Egon's company's name. It'll be a website. Does great work. Like we said, he's sponsoring us a little bit with the logo, doing it for us.
What does your company do?
Well, that's pretty important.
Yeah, that's pretty important.
Yeah, it's very.
We develop those websites, applications, cloud-based applications. We make solutions for big companies in the back office. So if you like a new website, new web shop,
Logos.
ERP, CRM systems, I'm your guy. And logos, of course.
How long have you been doing this company?
This company I do for 6 years now, and but I'm in the business like over 22 years.
22 years.
I started as a programmer.
He's that old.
Yeah. I'm not looking that old, but I'm that old. So
Well, I'm glad somebody thinks so.
basically, I'm a nerd.
Well, it shows.
Yeah.
And you do it alone, or do you have partners?
No, I have some colleagues of mine, Wesley and Majani. Like you guys, we have a lot of fun working.
Okay.
We are very creative, make nice designs for web shops and websites.
And logos.
And logos. And logos. Not
That reminds me, I wanted to ask you, you made our logo,
Mhm.
and you decided for spark plug
Yeah.
and a woman
Yeah.
on top of the spark plug. Now I can understand that, I can relate to that, I do it most often as well.
He's got, yeah, he always has a woman on his
what's
spark
the
plug
story
too.
behind the woman?
The woman or the spark plug?
How did you decide, well, it has to be a woman? Is there a background story to it?
When I started with your logo, I started to think, okay, what should happen? What does a motorcycle club or a motorcycle repair shop need in their logo?
Skulls.
And
Skulls.
Everywhere I look, it was skulls. But I don't get off on skulls, you know.
I mean, either.
I don't get horny over skulls.
So you're not a necrophiliac?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not at all.
You like them warm?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I thought, okay, it has to be something technical, like a spark plug. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not technical with motorcycles, but I think, well,
He's technical with women.
I'm technical with women, of course. But I think a spark should be in a motorcycle, I guess. So, and I think with every motorcycle there needs a cool girl,
A nice pin-up girl.
nice pin-up girl.
I agree.
So I put the spark and the girl
on top of each
it.
other.
And I think nice girls should go with nice guys, like the four of us.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'll drink to that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
So where is your company based?
My company is based in Houten,
In Houten.
but we work all the world around.
Oh, really? Oh, so it's pretty big
24/7.
business.
Yeah.
And you know what? He just started on his first motorcycle lesson.
Yeah.
So it's contagious.
Yeah, we infected him with the good virus.
Yeah. I started, and I'm going to try to get my license for a motorcycle, so those guys can fix my motorbike as well.
Oh, we will. We will.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Otherwise, we're not going to have enough movies.
We're averaging right now about 50 or 60 views per video. So I'm guessing we're doing a good job. So thank you very much for that. Besides that, I know I've been very immature lately.
Lately? Oh, just a second.
Oh,
Now it's getting interesting.
Yeah,
Should I zoom in?
You have my full attention.
So folks, we'd like to thank Egon for his dedication and all the time he spent on making our new logo. And you're going to be seeing it a lot more often. Thank you all for all your support that you've given us till now. We're hoping that you give us some more and that there's people out there that are enjoying our videos give us a shout. Tell us what you would like to see some more. Don't forget to subscribe, like us too.
Sorry.
Again, thank you, and we'll see you next time.